Hope everyone would be aware that Boeing was very keen in offering their F-15EX fighter for the supply of 114 fighter jets to Indian Air Force. The latest update on this particular topic is that the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Mahindra Defence has been offered with few offers from Boeing. To be more precise, Boeing has offered HAL and Mahindra to be partners in the F-18E/F Block 3 fighter jet manufacturing. But since Indian Air Force were not very keen with this particular fighter as it's a carrier-based jet, and also in previous MMRCA tender, it had lost to Eurofighter Typhoon and Dassault Rafale in technical rounds. Due to this, Boeing started offering their heavyweight class fighter, which is F-15EX, for India fighter procurement programs. The F-15EX is from heavyweight class fighter like Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, but it was offered to India in response to Russia being allowed to offer the Sukhoi Su-35. Both Sukhoi Su-35 and Boeing F-15EX belong to the same class. So looks like Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Mahindra Defence might be roped in as a partner for manufacturing the F-15EX in India. But all this is possible only if Indian Air Force selects this particular fighter jets. To give more details on the Boeing F-15EX fighter jet, the Boeing F-15EX is the latest variant of F-15E Strike Eagle multi-role fighter, which was sold to Qatar and Saudi Arabia. The F-15E itself was derived from the iconic F-15 fighter, which first flew in 1972. Both F-15 and F-15E remain in service with the Air Forces of United States and several of its allies. Due to its long range and heavy payload capability, many countries are interested to buy this particular fighter jets. In the event of threats from Iran, Israel has been thinking to place an order for around 25 F-15EX jets, and other countries which are operating the same F-15E are Israel, South Korea and Singapore. The main features of this particular fighter jet, which is Boeing F-15EX, the first one is the 21st century cockpit, which provides real-time access to battlefield information and also enhances the pilot's understanding of the environment. This is to reduce the workload, speed decision-making, and enhance the mission management. The next one is the aggregate sensor data for a 360-degree view of battle space. Next one is the unmatched weapon station capacity up to 29,500 lbs of payload, supported by 12 certified air-to-air hardpoints and 15 certified air-to-ground hardpoints. The next one is the new and more powerful twin engines, which provide the F-15EX with unrivaled speed and acceleration capabilities. And this allows the pilot to get to the target faster. Then comes a fully integrated electronic warfare suite, which provides a full spectrum of protection and enables the dominant engagement of new and emerging threats. The F-15EX will be able to survive the modern integrated air defense systems and seamlessly communicate with other sensors to deliver an automated IR countermeasures. So that was all about Boeing's offer to India on becoming a partner in manufacturing the F-15EX heavyweight class fighter, along with HAL and Mahindra. Nothing is confirmed as of now, so we need to wait and see if this particular offer works out in favor of Boeing. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.